So the question here is how and why did animals on land get to be so much smarter than animals in water? Water is like a wet blanket on vision. As you look out, you don't see very far, and what there is to see is usually pretty low in complexity. Once you're on land, there was a lot of complex vegetation and all these terrestrial features. Our work shows that there's a subset of terrestrial environments where planning is really maximized. In open environments, it's you versus your adversary, and it's essentially a speed game. In really cluttered environments, essentially you just need to run for cover. And once you're in that area, it's very hard for your adversary to find you. But in these critical sort of sweet spot zones of habitats where there's mixtures of open areas and dense areas, then your movements and the movements of your adversary become like movements on a chess game. So a lot of people ask me, what about dolphins? What about whales? Well, they actually kind of prove our point because they were land animals until 50 million years ago. So we're pretty sure their planning ability was something that they started off with. It's not something they gained while they lived in the water. It's luring the predator into this cul-de-sac. That's what it's doing, is exploiting the fact that the predator is going to chase it. So our computational experiments show two things. One, visual range, and two, the right level of habitat clutter led to a massive increase in survival rate if you plan, and only if you plan, which is really a superpower of our species.